Beef and broccoli has got to be one of my absolute favorite meals, and so I'm gonna show you how to do it in my pot. One skillet is what it's gonna be. And I'm gonna do that really simply with a beautiful ribeye. So we've already cut this up into strips, it's ready to go. Let's make the sauce, because this goes really fast. So for the sauce, I've got a couple of ingredients that, of course, you've already heard of before. So the first I'm gonna use is gonna be some soy sauce. Next, I'm gonna add in some chili oil. Now I just got a little drop of sesame oil. Furthering down the line, I got a little bit of ginger paste. Also, let's do some lemongrass. For a little bit more heat, let's do a little bit of red pepper flake. And the last ingredient, or one of the last ingredients, first of all, is going to be some brown sugar. That's gonna be super important. Right before I give this a mix, let's do a little bit of cornstarch, because cornstarch is gonna help thicken it beautifully, and it is, which is exactly what we want. Got a few cloves of garlic that we sliced up, so I'm just gonna add that right in there. And now, let's head over to the stove and cook up some steak. I have my Darius Cooks Everyday Skillet getting super hot. That's what you want. You want it to be hot almost to the point where it's smoking. And then I'm gonna add in the oil, and then let's add in some of that ribeye steak. All right, there's the oil. And here's our ribeye steak. My steak is in. Here is the key. Do not touch it. I don't care how tempted you are. Let the steak cook and really sear on one side, golden brown, before we flip it. Don't touch it. Once my steak is brown like this, I'm just gonna take it out. All right, in the pan with all of these delicious juices, let's add a little bit of onion. And to the onion, I'm also gonna add a few slices of carrots. You give that a toss. Now, just after a few minutes, the onions will start to caramelize, the carrots are gonna start getting soft. We can go ahead and add in our broccoli. We can give that a toss. I'm gonna go ahead and add our steak right back to the pan. And then remember that sauce that we made? Let's add that right into here. This is why this is called one skillet supper, okay? Because that's how fast it's gonna cook. Right before I add in the noodles, I'm gonna add in a couple of sesame seeds. So I've got some black sesame seeds here, and I've also got some regular sesame seeds. And now I'm gonna put our noodles right in here. Ramen noodles. And give that a toss. Listen, I wish you could smell the way this house smells. It smells fantastic. I am using my Darius Cooks Everyday Skillet for an amazing one skillet supper that you just gotta give it a try, all right? Now, this is the hard part. So, okay, first of all, the sauce. Sweet, spicy, salty, savory. It coats the noodles beautifully. I don't know if you knew this or not, but the broccoli is like not overcooked, so it's still green and has a crunch to it. Carrots are super sweet. The beef is cooked beautifully. This is a great recipe. You got to give it a try. Now, the recipe for this is going to be on the Darius Cooks Plus app. You can get it by going to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Go download it. It's an amazing app. I'm not just saying that because my name is on it, but I'm saying it because my name is on it. Two things I want to tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life, it is my food. Until next time, with food as delicious as this, I got to wish you a happy cooking. From my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.